in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Honorable Lady, Honorable Wamina Jr., Honorable Citizen Priest, Honorable Ko, Honorable Lin, Honorable Salvador, Honorable Suiso Jr., Honorable Lau, Honorable Romero de Sican, Honorable Sakin Jr., Honorable Tokayan, Honorable Canlas, Honorable Dway Longshot. There are 12 members present, including the Honorable Presiding Officer.
Having 12 members present, the Chair declares a quorum. Once again, good morning to each and every one of us. May I request the Honorable Majority Floor Leader for the order of business.
Yes, Honorable Chair. Good afternoon, thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. On item number 4, proposed hour, we have esteemed guests this afternoon from the DepEd, Honorable Chair, who has important concerns with us. Update from the DepEd, Osamis. We have Sir Dionisio I. Liwagon Jr., Sir Lysander Siloy, Ma'am Milda de Ngasi, and Ma'am Arlene Sivia. I move to suspend the rules to allow our visitors to speak for us, no, sir.
Rules suspended.
May now call Sir Dionisio and party to please occupy seats and be given the right microphone, no, sir.
To acknowledge our visitor, Mr. Liwagon, please, you have now the floor.
Hello. Good afternoon to the honorable members of this august body. I am Mr. Dionisio L. Liwagon Jr., the Assistant Schools Division Superintendent of the Schools Division of Ozamis City. I am appearing before this august body. Thank you very much for this opportunity to personally convey my heartfelt gratitude for all the support you have accorded to me as the assistant of SDS, former SDS Lim Falago, and former SDS Lorena P. Serrano. Effective April 23, 2026, last week, I assumed in the office of the Schools Division Superintendent as the officer in charge. I feel honored with this opportunity to extend my services, and I commit myself to give my best para sa atong mahal na mga kabataang Ozamis nun for most likely another 3-year journey. I am appearing before you this afternoon to convey my personal invitation for tomorrow. Please be informed that our beloved Regional Director, the newly assumed Regional Director of DepEd Region 10, Dr. Rose Legazpi Fuentes Seso III, will be having her official visit to the Schools Division of Ozamis. And tomorrow as well, she will install me to office as the OIC Schools Division Superintendent of our division. We would be very glad to convey our warmest invitation to all of you. We hope and pray that we'll be able to see you tomorrow together with our beloved Mayor. For us also to convey to each one attending tomorrow that we are ever committed to continue the gains that this administration has achieved in the past, and will continue the Ascenso brand of service in the delivery of basic education services. Mabuhay po tayong lahat, and may God bless us all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sir Liwagon. Salamat kayo, you may... Okay.
May I say
Majority
something,
Floor
Sir?
Leader.
Thank you very much, Sir Liwagon Jr., for your possible assumption to the office of the SDS of the city. At least we are assured on the collective the sustenance, the continuation of the collective unity and the partnership between DepEd and EDSA of San City. So we're happy with that development, and thank you, sir, and your colleagues, Sir DepEd. Thank you very much.
Okay, once again, I may reiterate that the Department of Education is our strong partner in progress and development of Usami City. Okay. Yes, Honorable Majority Floor Leader.
With that, sir, with thanks to Sir Liwagon and company, we now move to resume the roles to continue our session, sir.
Rose is resumed. Okay. Thank you very much, ma'am and sir. Salamat kayo.
Thank you, Honorable Sir. We now proceed to item number 5, approval of the agenda for the day. Here about the written request for insertion to our order of business, Honorable Sir. 5 requests. And may I start with the first. A request from our City Mayor, Honorable Attorney Samuel Dipentis, for us to pass a resolution authorizing the local executive, Attorney Samuel Dipentis, to enter into and sign on behalf of Usami City the Memorandum of Agreement with the Department of Agriculture Regional Field Office 10 relative to the implementation of the National Urban and Peri-Urban Agriculture Program. The second written request is for us to enact a resolution approving the May 2026 Labor Force Survey in Barangays Laman, Tinago, Usami City, from May 8 until May 31, 2026 by the Philippine Statistics Authority. The third written request is coming from the Sikunyang Hutano Barangay Tinago with the concurrence of the Barangay Captain Punong Barangay Vicar Manapuntes, requesting this possibility to approve to include in our agenda the supplementary budget number 1, 26, Kulisyon ng Kabataan, Pagsid Barangay Tinago, Alusan. The fourth written request is the request of our City Mayor, Honorable Attorney Samuel Dipentis, for us to issue a resolution authorizing to charge to the current operations the payment for the procurement of various materials for the shelter house under the account repair and maintenance, machinery and other equipment, other supplies and other expenses in amount of 27,625 pesos. The last but not the least, the request on the chair is for us to pass a resolution amending the 2026 annual procurement plan on 9 items, medical office supplies from direct conducting of 1,190,000 to direct conducting 690,000 and small value procurement of 500,000. The account repair and maintenance, machinery and heavy equipment from negotiated procurement of 2,140,000 to direct conducting 1,340,000 and small value procurement 800,000. And the last account, medical supplies expense from direct conducting of 3,506,500 pesos to direct conducting 1,806,000 and 5 pesos and small value procurement 1,700,000. These are the 5 written requests for insertion in our order of business. I will move the motion to approve the agenda for the day with 5 insertions as listed on number 6.
By 6.
Then is number 6. By the way, Honorable Sir, the last request for us to pass a resolution authorizing the local executive, Honorable Attorney San Roman deputies to enter into compromise agreements on behalf of San City with respect to business and their property tax obligations of local taxpayers. So, this is sixth request, so I move the motion to approve the agenda for the day with six petitions as requested on the motion.
There is a motion from the Honorable Majority Floor Leader for the approval of our agenda for today with 6 inclusions as being presented. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Everybody was furnished copies of the minutes of our previous sessions on February 2, February 4, and February 10, 2006 of our regular and special sessions. Honorable Chair, I guess everybody was able to peruse, examine the petition of. So, accordingly, I move to dispense with the reading of the minutes of previous sessions and to approve said minutes into two, Honorable Chair.
There is a motion from the Honorable Majority Floor Leader to dispense the reading of the previous minutes as being read as of February 2, 4, and 10 of 2026. Is there any comments or remarks? Even the motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 7, please proceed to letter C, petition and request for proceeding. Items number 1, number 2, 1 and 2 are submitted by this number 1 of Barangay Kinumanuti and Barangay Embarco. I yield to the Chairman of the Committee on Barangay Affairs, Honorable Didi Canlas, to endorse and conduct on these 2 items, number 1 and number 2, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Candas is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion on items 1 and 2.
Thank you, Madam Sir. Thank you, Majority Floor Leader. Good morning, good afternoon. For petition or request sub-item number 1, 2026 supplemental budget number 1 of Barangay Kinuman, the amount of 849,828 and 54 centavos. Item number 2, 2026 supplemental budget number 1 of Barangay Embargo, Iski, in the amount of 338,000. Madam Chair, I move that for the approval of the item 1 and 2 under petition or request, I move for first reading with reservation, Madam Chair.
Move with the Honorable Candas to approve on first reading with reservations on items 1 and 2. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Due to the urgency of this item, item 1 and 2, under petition request, I move for the approval of 2026 supplemental budget of Barangay Kinuman, Barangay Embargo, Iski as for second and final reading, waiving the internals on joint motion. Thank you.
Due to the urgency of this request, Honorable Candas is passing these items 1 and 2 for the second and final reading, waiving the internals. Any comment or remarks? Hearing and motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Items number 3 and number 4 are annual budgets for 26 October Barangays, Barangay Gutukan, Diot, and Barangay Sinusa. Again, in same vein, I yield to the Chairman of the Committee on Barangay Affairs, Honorable Didi Canlas, to endorse and recommend action on these 2 items, number 3 and number 4, omnibusly, Honorable Chair.
For items 3 and 4, Honorable Candas is now recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For petition or request, item number 3, annual budget of Barangay Gutukan Jot, the amount of 3,597,097 pesos. Item number 4, 2026 annual budget of Barangay Sinusa, in the amount of 4,388,802. I move that this item be approved on first reading with reservation, Madam Chair.
Move for first reading, reservations, motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Due to the urgency of this item 3 and 4 under petition request, I move that this item be approved on second and final reading waiving the internal laws and joint motion.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, the Honorable Canlas is passing this on the second and final reading on items 3 and 4. Is there any comment, remarks? Hearing none, motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 5, the ad hoc committee of Usami City, resolution number 26-1, series of 26, a resolution strongly endorsing and affirmatively recommending the qualified applicants who have successfully passed the initial screening and evaluation conducted by the ad hoc committee for the PNP Patrolman Addition Recruitment Program calendar year 2026. Honorable Chair, this screening was being held last April 15 at the third floor of the new estate building with the City Hall premises. Honorable Chair, I therefore move to inject motion to concur adopt this resolution of the ad hoc committee, resolution number 320-26, 26-1, series 26, for approval, the proceeding up to the second and third reading on the motion.
There's a motion from the Honorable Majority Floor Leader to confirm and adopt this ad hoc Committee of Usami City Resolution number 26-1, series of 2026, a resolution strongly endorsing and affirmatively recommending the qualified applicants who have successfully passed the initial screening and evaluation conducted by the ad hoc committee for the PNP Patrolman and Patrolwoman Attrition Recruitment Program calendar year 2026. Move by the Honorable Majority Leader to confirm and adopt this in the first reading.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Leader D. Messages and communications. Number 1, resolution number 320-26, a resolution approving the ordinance number 160-2026 of the Supreme Council of Samis, an ordinance, repealing ordinance number 1216-20, revised on Samis City Anti-Noise Ordinance for homeschool learners of 2020. And may I also read the number 2, resolution number 333-26, a resolution approving ordinance number 165-2026 of the Supreme Council of Samis, an ordinance providing for the naming, standardization, and official identification of all roads, streets, lanes, work roads, alleys, and pathways within Usami City and providing penalties for violation thereof. Honorable Chair, these are the resolution of the Supreme Panligan approving our respective ordinances. I recommend that this approval of the resolution of Panligan that be duly noted to the record City Council. Honorable Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Majority Floor Leader. Manifested by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader, these resolutions, the messages and communications that we received, resolution number 320-26 and resolution number 333-26 be adopted. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Number 3, Special Order number 26, thus is NGF-017 of Attorney Francisco III B. Solita, Executive Assistant for Office of City Mayor, designating as officer in charge of City Human Resource and Management Office. Honorable Chair, we need the Senate concurrence and adoption of this designation, so I promote this motion to approve the I refer to the Committee on Civil Service, Honorable Lori Gutierrez, to endorse and recommendation on this item, Honorable Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Majority Floor Leader, manifested by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader to concur and approve this special order number 26, that is NGF-0117 of Attorney Francisco III V. Solita, the Executive Assistant 4, Office of the City Mayor, designating as Officer in Charge, OIC, of the City Human Resource and Management Office, and manifested by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader. This be referred to the Civil Service. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing the motion.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. There are no committee reports submitted on item number 8. Item number 9, please proceed to letter C. Unassigned business whereby we have 6 upon sessions, Honorable Chair. I may start the first upon session, a resolution authorizing the local executive, Attorney San Juan G. Pintes, to enter into and sign on behalf of Sama City the Memorandum of Agreement with the Department of Agriculture Regional Field Office 10 relative to the implementation of the National Urban and Peri-Urban Agricultural Program. Ano yan to, Chairman of the Committee on Agriculture, Honorable San Juan Jr., endorse and recognition this item, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Waminal is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Majority Floor Leader. This humble representation would like to move a resolution authorizing the local chief, Sam Norman G. Fuentes, to enter into and sign on behalf of Osame City the Memorandum of Agreement with the Department of Agriculture Regional Field Office 10 relative to the implementation of the National Urban and Peri-Urban Agriculture Program be passed for first reading, Madam Chair, with reservation on joint motion.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair, for the sake of public welfare and given its utmost urgency, may I therefore move that the same be approved for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules of this Sanggunian.
Due to the urgency and for public interest, the Honorable Waminal is passing this request resolution for the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing the motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Upon session number 2, a resolution approving the May 26 Labor Force Survey in Barangay Islama ng Tinago, Sama City, from May 8 up to May 31, 26 by the Philippine Statistics Authority. Ano yan to? Chairman of Committee on Labor, Honorable Salo Salvador, to introduce and recommend action on this item.
Honorable Saulo Salvador is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Mr. Majority Floor Leader. Thank you, Madam Chair. I move to pass a resolution approving the May 2026 Labor Force Survey in Barangay Laman and Barangay Tinago, Osame City from May 8, 2026 until May 31, 2026 by the Philippine Statistics Authority. Madam Chair, on first reading with reservation.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Due to its urgency, Madam Chair, I move to pass this resolution on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, Honorable Salvador is passing this on second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing the motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Upon session number 3, the request of Barangay Tinago, SK Chairman, Honorable Henry Japit in Advocate to approve the submittal number 1, 26, of Barangay Tinago. Ano yan to the SK Vice President of San City, Honorable John P. Alonso, to endorse and recommendation on this item, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Wailongson is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Honorable Majority Floor Leader and Madam Chair. I would like to pass a resolution of Barangay Tinago, SK, a supplemental budget for the calendar year 2026. Number 1, Sangguniang Kabataan, Barangay Tinago, for amounting 882,550 pesos for first reading with reservation, Madam Chair.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
considering the urgency of the said resolution, Madam Chair, and this supplemental budget is being endorsed by the City Budget Officer, I therefore move for the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules on joint motion, Madam Chair.
Considering for the urgency of this request resolution and having been approved and reviewed by the proper agency, the Honorable Duhay Lungsod is passing this resolution on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment, remarks, hearing and motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Appointation number 4, the request for City Mayor to enact resolution authorizing the charging to our current operation, the payment for the procurement of various materials for the slaughterhouse under the account device maintenance, machinery and other equipment and supplies, material expenses under the City Economic Enterprise and Development Office in amount of 27,625 pesos. I therefore move the motion to approve this request. Honorable Chair, on the motion with reservations for approval and proceeding with reservations.
Move by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader to pass this on the first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. In the exigency of public service and the spouse and fiscal management, I move the motion to approve this request, the charging of the payment of the procurement of various materials for the slaughterhouse to the current appropriation in amount of 27,655, approval and second and final reading, waiving the rules.
In the exigence of public service, the Honorable Majority Floor Leader is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment, remarks, hearing and motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. The fifth proposition is the request for the amendment of our 26 annual procurement plan to it, and medical supplies expense, the recontracting of 1,190,000 to the recontracting of only 690,000 and the remaining amount of 500,000 to be under a small value procurement. The second account, repair and maintenance, machinery and heavy equipment from negotiated procurement, lasting contiguous 2,140,000 to the recontracting 1,300,000 and remaining amount of 800,000 will be under a small value procurement. Third account, medical supplies expense from the recontracting in amount of 3,506,500 pesos to the recontracting of 1,806,005 pesos and small value procurement of 1,700,000. I move for approval the proceeding with reservations.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. In the interest of public service and to spouse and fiscal management, I move the motion to approve this amendment to our 26th annual procurement plan, approval, second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
For public interest, the Honorable Majority Floor Leader is passing these three items from SM Lao, SWIMO, and City Health Office. Pass this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment, remarks, hearing and motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. The last but not the least, upon session number 6, a resolution authorizing the local executive, Honorable Attorney Sam Norman Giventis, to enter into commerce agreements on behalf of San City with respect to business and real property tax obligations of local taxpayers. And here to Chairman of Committee on Ways and Means, Honorable Attorney Daniel Lau, to introduce an action on this item.
The Honorable Daniel Lau is now recognized with the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair. A joint motion for approving a resolution authorizing the local Chief Executive, Honorable Sam Norman G. Fuentes, to enter into a compromise agreements on behalf of the City of Zamis with respect to the business and real property tax obligations of the local taxpayers. I move to pass this resolution for first reading with reservation, Madam Chair.
Move for first reading reservations. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Considering the importance and urgency of this resolution, I move to pass this for the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules, Madam Chair.
Considering the importance and of this and for public interest, the Honorable Lau is passing this resolution. On the second and final reading, this resolution authorizing the local chief executive, Honorable Sam Norman G. Fuentes, to enter into a compromise agreement on behalf of Gusamis City with respect to business and real property tax obligations of the local taxpayers. Approve. Move on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment, remarks? Hearing none, motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. There are no pending matters on my table under item number 10, basis for third reading. Hence, at this juncture, may we have special privilege to hear on special matters from Honorable Catherine Silim, Honorable Chair.
For PCL matters, the Honorable Lim is now recognized.
None, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Noted by the Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. May we also have a privilege to hear on SK matters from Honorable John P. Leonson, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Dwayne Longson is now recognized by the Chair for some SK matters.
For SK matters, none at this moment, Madam Chair. Thank you. And Majority Floor Leader.
None at the moment. Noted.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. May we now have the privilege and pleasure to hear on ABC matters from Honorable J.G. Canlas, Honorable Chair.
For ABC matters, may we hear from Honorable Canlas.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For information of everybody, the Liga ng mga Barangay Osamis chapter will conduct a monthly meeting this coming Thursday, April 30. That's all, Madam Chair. Thank you.
That would be what would be the main agenda?
The agenda is Liga dues and other resolution for mag-open ng account sa bank. Thank you.
Okay, noted.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. At this point of time, we now have special privilege to hear on matters concerning the indigenous people, Honorable Divisison, Honorable Chair.
For matters concerning indigenous people, may we recognize Honorable Dinkes Wison.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. On IP matters, the National Heritage Month will be this coming May, and it is a nationwide celebration, and we receive a communication that the indigenous people is invited to have the said activity pursuant to Proclamation number 439, emphasizing the preservation of indigenous legacies and empowering communities through heritage. This representation will be informing this council regarding the activity on the National Heritage Month. Thank you very much, Madam Chair.
Noted by the Chair, your report, Honorable Wison.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Before I proceed to the final item, I would like to remind everybody of this invitation of the DepEd for the installation of ceremony for Sir Junicio Iliwagon Jr. tomorrow at the RBC Hall, Timpanan Garden, formerly Botanical Garden, at 10 o'clock in the morning. See you there. So, I now yield to my colleagues for any other important announcement, Honorable Chair.
Yes, is there any other matters to be considered from this August body? Please be just reminded of the invitation of Mr. Junicio Iliwagon. That would be tomorrow, April 29, at the RBC Hall, Timpanan Garden, sa Naomi's Botanical Garden. Noted.
I guess there are no more items, my colleagues, report before this body sir, is now my inclination to proceed with my last task this afternoon. I move to adjourn the regular session now, sir.
Regular session is now adjourned.